Hi, welcome back with another new video. I am Kaisar from rankninja.com. Today I will show you how to measure conversion of a e-commerce website for Google advertising. So, before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will really inspire me to create more useful video for you. So, the first thing is conversion. What is a conversion? Conversion is actually the final action taken by your website user. For an e-commerce website, it is the purchase. Your ultimate goal is to make your user a customer. That is when a user purchase from your website. Why we need to track conversion for Google Ads? For Google Ads, it is important to track the conversion for measuring your return on investment. That is how much you are spending and how much you are earning. So today I'll show you how to track the conversion of your website and send it to Google Ads using Google Tag Manager. This video is related to this one, how to set up Google Analytics for server-side e-commerce event tracking. So before watching this video, you should watch this one, otherwise you will not understand this video. So let's start it. First, we have to create a new conversion. For creating new conversion, you may go to Tools and Setting and Conversion and click New Conversion action, and this conversion will come from website. So it will ask for the domain of your website or URL of your website. This is the domain of this website. Now click Scan. Now click Add Manually. Here are different type of conversion. Add to cart may be a conversion, begin checkout may be a conversion, but usually the final conversion of a e-commerce website is purchase, because it carries no value how much product a customer added to his cart without checking out. So select purchase. Now give a name, that is Green Mart purchase conversion. You can give any name, but it should be relative. Use same value. No, it is not logical for this case. Using same value will count the same amount if it is not a matter whether a user purchased $120 or $80. It will count every time a same value that you will set here, but we will count it different value. Don't worry about this one. The value will come from this website. And count, we want to count every purchase, but when you should use this one, you should use this one when you track the lead form submission as a conversion, because a user may submit 1,000 times a lead form, but it carries no meaning. It will count only one. On that case, you may select this one. And finally, you have to turn this one for measuring accurately. Now click Done. Now here click the setting, save and continue, and it will give you some instruction. We will use Google Tag Manager. So select this tab, and here you can see conversion ID and Greenmart purchase conversion, a conversion level. This is the conversion level actually. We need this one. So we may need this one more than one time. So you already know for doing this, we will use a variable. We will keep this value in a variable. Anyway, this website is connected with this Google Tag Manager. Here you can see KPP. This is the KPP. So first thing, we want to create variable. and the variable should be constant type because it will not being changed. It will be a user defined variable. The variable name should be gadds conversion id, and the type is constant, and here is the value. Click save, and another one is gadds conversion level. This time it will also be type of constant. Alright. Now we have to use a trigger when you will count as a conversion when the user will make a purchase. We have already make a trigger for counting the purchase, that is purchase trigger, this one. You will find how to create this trigger and why I created this trigger in this video. Now return back to tag and create a new tag. Give it a name, gadds purchase conversion tag. You may write a name anything related to the conversion like Google Ads conversion tag, Google Ads purchase, but do not use anything irrelevant. The tag conversion, it will be type of Google Ads and the Google Ads conversion tracking. Here it is asking for conversion ID. So we have already put it here, Google Ads conversion ID, and asking for conversion level, G ads conversion level. Okay, conversion value. Conversion value is actually the amount that a user purchased from your website. We have already created a variable for getting this, that is purchase amount, and the value is coming from data layer, uh, where it is TLV, currency, customer ID, phone, post, shipping, state transaction. Here it is TLV value. Transaction ID, we have already created it, TLV transaction ID, and the currency code. Currency code is TLV currency. Now for measuring the data accurately, you have to provide some additional data, that is the user first name, last name, email address, maybe phone number, also zip code, city. So select this one, include user provided data from website, and here I have already created a variable for providing user provided data. You will find this one here. So I am not describing it anymore, just selecting it. This variable actually contains the user data. I will show you. And final is the trigger. The trigger is purchase trigger. Alright. Now click save, and it's time to submit. Now let's test it. Click on preview, connect. Now adding some item to the cart and checkout. Here the final amount is 275 and without shipping cost it is 265. Here the user provided data is user email address, user address including zip code, and now click place order and you can see here the Google Ads conversion tag will be fired. Here Google Ads purchase conversion tag has been fired. Let's see if the data is going or not correctly. Select it. Sorry. Variable purchase variable. Here the country, the currency, the user provided data, and the value, the transaction ID, that is 4694, and this information actually need for tracking conversion for Google Ads. Here the tag has been fired Google Ads. So in this way you can send the conversion to Google Ads for measuring your return on investment. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel because it inspired me a lot to create more useful video for you. Thank you.